Hey guys, Varmate here. How you all doing? So in this video, I'm going to do the unboxing and the initial impressions of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. So as you are aware that these were not launched in India, the launch of this Buds 3 Pro was delayed due to some production related issues. But now finally in this month, Samsung has resumed the Buds 3 Pro sale in India. And if you just have a Samsung Galaxy Fold 6 or Flip 6, you can basically get additional off by going in the My Galaxy app. So here you can see there is a banner where I've already redeemed it. So when you click on it, you can see actually there is a code. So basically these you can look for the banner if you own any of the two phones, and you can get additional off on the MRP of this particular Galaxy Buds. And I also have the Airpods Pro with me, Airpods 2 Pro with me, because both of them are very similar in design. So as you can see, I have the silver variant with me over here because I already own a white one in the Airpods 3. So Airpods Pro, so I just wanted to differentiate. This is the box, very clean box, black in color, and on the back over here we can see what we get in this particular box. And as you can see, we have the earbuds, we have a charging case, and you get a USB Type-C cable and some tips. And the MRP of this particular product is 24,999, and this is an August production. So as you can see, every device Galaxy 3 Pro which is produced in August or afterwards is supposed to be non-defective. So let's just begin with the unboxing over here. Yeah, so these are the buds right here. So I'll just keep the box on the side for a moment, and on the back over here we have this basically the manuals. Yeah, so these are some documentations and the cable for charging the buds. So I assume this is Type-C to Type-C. Yes, it is Type-C to Type-C. And these are the additional buds over here. These are kept in a very tiny case over here. So I'll just put them on the side and let us just see the buds and the case. So here you go, these are the actual buds right there, and this is the case. If you compare with the AirPods Pro, I think this is the reason why people are saying that it is extremely similar. As you can see, they look very similar. Still the Buds 3 Pro's case is slightly bigger, I would say, over here. And on the back, if you see even the hinge mechanism, it looks extremely similar over here. And we have certain naming. On the bottom we have a pairing button, a Type-C, USB Type-C port. Here again we have the lightning port, since this is the AirPods 2 Pro, and we have the speaker grill over here. So if you actually look closely, they are very similar in terms of their size. I think the AirPods 2 Pro case is a little bit more in length, and this particular case is more in breadth, and there is a translucent upper case over here which looks really cool. So this is what basically differentiates both of these particular cases. And when you open it, there is a green LED, and we have color coding, blue for the left one and orange for the right one. So I have opened this particular Buds Pro. They do seem to have some charge, so let's just put them in pairing mode over here. So I have pressed the button for the very first time. Let's see if they show up on my Galaxy Z6. Yeah, so this is the pairing mode right now. As you can see, the lights are blinking, and we would definitely go over here to see if the buds show. Yeah, here we go. So as you can see over here, there's the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. I'll start the pairing process immediately. So there is a software download which is going on. So meanwhile, what we'll do is basically we'll see how this particular stem or this bud is there. So we'll just keep it on the side by the time it actually. Okay, so these are some tutorials which are showing here right away. adaptive noise cancellation. So as you know, this is active noise cancellation is a feature in this particular buds. There is also voice and siren detection in case of emergency, so you can turn that on and off. If you are listening to any music and there is a siren or even the doorbell is ringing, this is definitely notify you for the same. This is the very quick process, as you see, and the buds are connected. They have 100% charge and 22% charge in the case. So we'll just go to the app in a moment and we'll look at how the buds feel and look in the hand. So as you can see, these are the two buds. There is quite a considerable difference in the way these look as compared to the Apple ones. And if we just take a look at one of these for a better view, as you can see over here, this is what Samsung calls the stem. This is where there is a light bar, I would say, of white color. It looks really cool in person. These are the tips, because of which basically the production was delayed, but I think now it is completely sorted. This is a skin sensors to notify the buds if they are actually worn in the air, and this is where the wind resistant and all of this combined are useful in the active noise cancellation part of it. The weight of it, I would say, these are slightly heavier than the Airpods Pro in the hand, and we'll also compare it with the Airpods Pro's buds actual. So these both are the right buds, as you can see over here, and yes, they do look similar in many ways. The stem design, they just have different kinds of placement. This is much more smoother, this is more sharper, I would say. I think this would give it more better grip when you are actually using those touch controls. There is no light bar on this, and but more or less it's slightly bigger, I would say, as compared to the Airpods Pro 2, but not much difference, and this is the reason why people are saying it is exactly the same, and Samsung has blatantly copied the design. But I would say I would not mind, because this additional stem will give a better touch control to this particular device, and also it will take the microphone more closer to your mouth, so it will be easier for person when you are on a call using this particular buds. So I think this is really good in that sense. So moving to the app which is there, this is the app that we have. It is very similar. This is on the Galaxy wearable straight away. So you can see there are 4 modes in this particular app. So normally it comes in the off mode. There is an ambient sound, there is adaptive sound, and there is active noise cancellation. More or less people will be in either of the 2 modes, which is ambient sound and active noise cancellation. This is very simple. The app is pretty much the same which was there before as well. We also have an equalizer where you can change the entire sound profile to your own liking. There is also loudness normalization. There is boosting dialogue. So basically, if there are videos and there are dialogues in it, by using the AI, you can actually boost the dialogues over there. There is also advanced feature where you have ultra high quality sound. I'll enable it by default, and also get clearer sounds on call at 16 kilowatts. So I'll basically turn both of these on and I'll see how it helps basically. And apart from this, there is not much in the app, more or less. We have the earbud setting, which gives you different kinds of modes over here. Seamless earbud connection, in-ear detection, there's diagnostic. We'll see if there is any update available for the Buds 3 Pro. I think they must be installed. All the updates are installed. Yes, it is installed, so nothing is available. So basically, this is everything that you get in the box of the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, and also how they look in person. I would say that the entire Galaxy Buds 3 range, which we also have Buds 3 and Buds 3 Pro, both of them, they look really nice. They feel nice. It's a little bit heavier as compared to the Airpods 3 Pro, but very slightly. You don't get the difference that much. This is also, we can charge this wirelessly, so this feature is also there. You can just put it on a wireless charger and this will get charged. It is also Type-C chargeable, so again, not much problem using the Type-C cable. And this is the pairing button, so you can pair it with even non-Samsung phones very easily using this. So this is really handy when it comes to pairing the device with other devices also. And the case seems very solidly built. It looks very premium in this particular color, and even the actual buds themselves, they are very premium, and even the light bar, I would say, would definitely give a very nice effect. And there are some AI features. I think there are certain features which this comes with, and I will definitely test them out for a couple of days, and I'll put my full review in terms of the sound quality and what all features you get in this particular Buds 3 Pro. So yeah guys, this was my initial impressions, unboxing and the setup of the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Finally, they're available in India. You can order them from the Samsung website. You can get it from the physical stores. And I think as per the reviews that you saw, that I've seen, these are one of the best ANC TWS earbuds which are available in the market, as if you believe many YouTubers out there who have tested this device. So this is what I'll do in the next few days, and I'll get the actual full review. Do let me know in the comments what you want to know about these buds, and what all you want me to test this with, and I'll try to get it done in my review. So yeah guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.